Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary, and for today's video I'm gonna be unboxing February's Boxy charm. I'm super excited, you guys. I had already done this month's Boxy charm, but oh my god, you guys, it was in the box for this month. It was the wrong box. It was for December, and I think my pelitos are all up. As much as I put them down, like, I feel like the heater, just the air brings them up. Anyways, you guys, I got this box yesterday and I was super excited because obviously this is very Valentine inspired. You won't believe what I got, girl. You won't believe it. Anyways, yeah, you guys, so if you're interested in seeing, I'm obviously going to be creating this look with the products that come in a box. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look and as well as me unboxing this month's Boxy charm, just please keep on watching. Here it is, you guys, this month's Boxy charm. Girl, I had already done a video for this month, but unfortunately that Boxy charm was not it. It was December's box. I had someone comment on my video saying that was in the box for this month, and I was like, and I looked it up and I was like, yeah, maybe it has to be, you know, because I got it right after January and I signed up for Boxy charm a week after January. So I was like, why would they send me like any other month? But they did. They sent me December's box, and I kind of had an idea because on the pamphlet it had little bows on it, like Christmas bows. It's okay, you guys, I'm like over it. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this box. I'm super excited. My energy might be a little today because it's early in the morning, and well, I always film in the morning, but my last video I did daytime, and oh my god, my energy was so good. I was so wide awake, but today it's really early. It is so Boxy charm. Says be my Clementine. And how cute. Oh my god. So I got the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Super excited, you guys. This palette does retail for $67. So I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says in the pamphlet, and it says, take your look to infinity and beyond with 18 cosmic shades with both bold and neutral shades. This palette delivers infinite possibilities. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, you guys, so we can see it. I've been wanting another Huda Beauty palette, and it's been a minute since I've got one because the packaging is so cute in this palette. Here it is, and oh my god, you guys, look at this. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm obviously gonna be doing a look with this palette today, so I'm gonna put it on the side. So next up I have here the Uma Beauty Badass Mother Matte Filler Lip Liner, and this one does retail for $16. Is shape and fill in your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it, and it's just it's a nude shade, which is really pretty. Moving on to the next product, you guys, and this is the Vike Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover Spray with skincare actives to clean and nourish. This one retails for $24, you guys, $24, and it says a makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipies or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. Okay, the packaging is so cute, you guys, like the little bottle. Okay, so the next product, you guys, it is the Moonlight Makeup Prime for the Night. So this is a eyeshadow primer. Nice. So I'm definitely gonna be using this one today. Eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant lasting color wherever your adventures lead. And this does retail for $18, and the packaging is so cute too. And look at the packaging. Next up, you guys, I have here the Aceology facial massager, and this is supposed to help to lift, contour, and smooth out the skin. So this is a more than a luxurious and to a masking sesh. The Gua Sha boosts skin radiance, firms and smooth skin, reduces fine lines, and stimulates blood circulation. And this does retail for $45, you guys. $45. Okay, girl, these prices are insane. God, I've been wanting one of these. I don't know how to use it, but I'm obviously gonna have to I'm gonna have to look it up, YouTube it, of course. And I have no idea how to use this. Okay, so I have seen it in like tutorials before, and it looks like it really does work, but I wouldn't know how to, like. Okay, I'm gonna have to look that up. Also, the little bag for you to put it in there. Last but not least, you guys, I have here the Crystal Robin. This is the instant volumizing leave-in spray, and this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy to style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with biobab, leaf extract, and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. And this retails for $39, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell it. Oh my god, oh, it smells so good. It smells like roses. I mean, obviously it's a rose spray, but it smells really good. I would love to put that in my hair. You guys, so I'm going to be trying out these products, and I'm going to start off with the Moonlight eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid, you guys. It's very transparent, can't see anything. It doesn't have any color in it. So for palette today, you guys, I am going to be using the Huda Beauty one. And this palette does contain 18 eyeshadows, you guys, and it has 9 buttery mattes, 6 high shine creamy metallics, 1 glitter powder, and 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows. Okay, so these are it, you guys. These are the shades that come in the palette. So pretty. So I'm going to start off with the shade Off Balance, this one right here, and I'm just going to apply that all over the crease using a blending brush. Okay, so the primer is working really good, you guys. Like, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It does feel very lightweight, and that color grabbed on really good. So now moving on to my next shade, you guys, I'm gonna use Hot Mess, this shade right here, and I'm gonna be using this Morphe M456 brush for that. I'm gonna just put it in the crease, outer corner, and then work my way up to the crease. For my next shade, I'm gonna be using Supernova, this pretty copper shade right here. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with my ring finger, and oh my god, this is so pretty. This is stunning, you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and did my lashes off camera, you guys, and I'm wearing the Beauty Creations lashes in Daydream. I'm gonna attempt to use the Gua Sha massager, and I only know that it's Gua Sha, you guys, because I went ahead and I YouTubed the video on how to use it. I know I had said Gia, you guys. I had said Gia, come and get her please, because oh my god, I didn't know how to pronounce it, you guys, my bad. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to use it. I've only used the facial rollers before. I've never used this type, so I had already put some serum, you guys, but I'm just gonna put a little bit just to try it out with you guys. And That's okay. That's okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little amount just to kind of see how it works. This like does feel really good, you guys. The pressure feels really good. This is supposed to help out with like redness, and obviously it's supposed to lift and firm the face. Okay, I definitely need to keep using this, and I'm gonna put it away in my little baggie, which is super cute. And yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some shadow onto the bottom of my eyelid, and I am gonna go ahead and add Off Balance. Next up, I'm gonna use Hot Mess, this one right here. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look using the lip liner, and this is a Uma Beauty lip liner in Angel Loop, and in the pencil it says a badass is the opposite of a dumbass. I agree. Okay, so let's go ahead and lip line. It's a Fenty Gloss Bomb in Baby Root. Okay, babe, so that is it for this video. That is it for this look. I really did enjoy creating this look using the Huda Beauty palette, you guys. I cannot believe they put this on this month's Boxy Charm. I'm super shook. As far as the lip liner, you guys saw that it was the same shade as my lips. I'm not mad at it. I'm okay with it, and I'm definitely gonna keep on using it. For the Aceology facial massager, you guys, I definitely need to get more practice out of it. This was my very first time using something like this. I am familiar with the facial roller massager, so I definitely need to get more educated, and hopefully I see results with the time. For the Moonlight eyeshadow primer, you guys, this was my very first time using a sheer eyeshadow primer, and I have to say that I really liked it. I enjoyed the fact that you can't see the edges, like you can't tell whether I'm wearing a base or not, or a concealer on. Shadows have not creased at all, which is definitely a good thing. For the makeup remover, you guys, I definitely need to try it out later once I take my face off. And as for the leave-in conditioner, you guys, I need to wash my hair, and when I wash my hair, I'm definitely going to be trying it out as well. So I'm definitely going to be doing a video, you guys, on my Boxy Charm favorites and my fails. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much if you did watch my video to the end. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to my channel, help me reach 500 subscribers. And yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye!